staying with us for News 5 at 5. I'm Rob Cork. Diane is off tonight. First up at 5, the Colorado Department of Corrections has identified Christine Guerin Sandoval as the parole officer who was struck and killed by a suspect fleeing while they were trying to serve an arrest warrant yesterday in Colorado Springs. We also learned that she had worked as a deputy for the Pueblo County Sheriff's Office for a dozen years. A memorial put up today at the site of that crash. It's at the intersection of North Spruce and East Bijou Street where that deadly accident occurred. Pueblo County Sheriff's Office put out a statement this afternoon saying, quote, they are sending condolences to her family. They say, our partners at parole and our brothers and sisters in blue mourning this tragic loss. Let's continue our coverage on the death of Officer Sandoval with more details on the investigation following a news conference this afternoon from Springs Police and the Department of Corrections. News 5's Ashley Portillo live from that makeshift memorial near downtown honoring Officer Sandoval's sacrifice and memory. Ashley?
Well, Rob, we also learned that Christine Guerin Sandoval was a mother, she was a wife, she was a daughter, she was also a protector here in the Colorado Springs community. Unfortunately, she did pay the ultimate sacrifice yesterday afternoon, her life, as she died in the line of duty. And earlier today during that press conference, we also learned more information about that incident that took place just before 4 o'clock yesterday afternoon. 3 parole officers were attempting to serve a warrant when they approached that suspect who was inside his vehicle. While trying to escape, that suspect allegedly hit 2 of the officers who were then taken to a nearby hospital. We learned the other injured parole officer is a female who right now is recovering at home. And Colorado Springs Mayor Yemi Mobolade said the weight of the police badge is so heavy. Police Chief Adrian Vasquez also said this hits all law enforcement members very deeply. He said it's saddening, it's heartbreaking, and he mourns with Sandoval's family.
Although parole officers have a different role in our community, they are keeping our community safe, and they wear they're the same officers as those you see wearing the Colorado Springs Police Department uniform.
Several agencies also responded, both on the local and federal level. We also learned members of the community actually stepped forward and called in sightings of the suspect that also helped lead to his arrest. And behind me, as I mentioned, as Rob mentioned, actually that growing memorial, you can see members of the Colorado Springs community have already begun placing flowers as well as handwritten notes, just remembering and honoring the fallen officer here in Colorado Springs. For now, reporting live in Colorado Springs, I'm Ashley Portillo for News 5.
Ashley, thank you. Similar messages from law enforcement agencies across Colorado, other first responders as well. Tonight, we're digging into the criminal history of that suspect in the case, 41-year-old Justin Kula, now facing multiple counts we learned from the DA this afternoon, including manslaughter and fleeing the scene of an accident resulting in death. Let's continue our coverage for you this afternoon here on News 5. Eleanor Sheehan in studio with a closer look at the charges over the years against Kula, spanning at least 2 states. Huh, Eleanor?
Well, over 6 years, there's been 20 cases against Kula in Colorado, including 6 of those being felonies. We also discovered he's had a lengthy criminal history in Texas. Kula has also faced several misdemeanors, including harassment, theft, and traffic violations. The first criminal case in Colorado we found dates back to 2017. He was arrested for harassment and obscured language, as well as possessing drug paraphernalia. Around the same time, it appears he was arrested in Colorado for a felony charge also in another state. That leads us to Texas, where we found he had a criminal history dating back to 2000. He was arrested as of recently in 2018 in Texas for a felony assault charge. Now coming back to Colorado, Kula faced multiple charges in 2020, including in August of that year, which he was charged with felony menacing. He was also charged with extortion, and later in that year, assaulting 2 police officers. Now, he pled guilty and was sentenced in November of 2021 to these charges, as well as a stalking charge. He was sentenced to 2 to 4 years in prison for these charges. Kalua, we reached out to the Department of Corrections to find out if he physically spent any time in prison before being put on parole, but we have not heard back from the Department of Corrections. Now, Spring Police are currently pursuing multiple arrest warrants for Kalua. District Attorney Michael Allen said today nothing is off the table, including murder or homicide, saying that could happen if the evidence meets that threshold. Rob, back to you.